Hey there, fellow designers. It's no secret that being a graphic designer means juggling multiple tasks and striving to deliver results that will exceed your clients' expectations. But have you ever wondered what they really want? Well, it's time to unveil the top 5 things graphic design clients really want but probably won't tell you. Number 1. Clarity. Clients want designs that are clear and easy to understand. They want their message to be conveyed without any confusion or ambiguity. You may think that an intricate design is what they are after, but most of the time, they are seeking simplicity. Keeping designs clean and concise is key. Number 2. Relevance. Clients want designs that relate to their audience. They want to make sure that their target demographic can relate to their product or service. It's essential to understand the client's brand positioning, target audience, and the context in which their content will be displayed. Number 3. Innovation. Clients crave designs that are unique and new. They want to stand out from their competition and wow their audience with a design that is innovative and creative. As a designer, it's important to embrace your creativity, explore new ideas, and push boundaries to develop innovative designs. Number 4. Speed. Clients want designs that are delivered on time. Time is money, and delays can be costly for their business. As a designer, it's crucial to have a workflow that ensures a quick turnaround time without compromising quality. Number 5. Trust. Clients want to trust their designer. They want to know that you have their best interest at heart and that you will deliver work that is of the highest standard. Building trust starts with effective communication, integrity, and professionalism. So there you have it, the top 5 things graphic design clients really want but probably won't tell you. Take note of these points if you want to create designs that will not only please the client but also elevate your design work. Keep these in mind, and you'll be sure to build a strong reputation as a reliable and talented designer. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any thoughts or additional points to add, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more valuable content.